Hello and welcome to Yescapa's Road Tips. In today's tutorial, we're showing you how to use the fridge in a motorhome, campervan or converted van. A motorhome fridge typically runs on multiple power sources: gas, 12-volt electricity, and 220-volt electricity. The fridge runs using gas when the vehicle is stationary and not connected to a power supply. In this case, make sure your gas bottle is open. When your vehicle is connected to a 220-volt power supply via a hookup point, it will use electricity to operate. Finally, when you're on the move, your motorhome fridge will run using the power from the 12-volt battery. Most fridges have an automatic mode, which selects the best power source based on the situation without requiring any action on your part. However, if the fridge light blinks or if it beeps after switching the power sources into automatic mode, simply switch it back on manually. In manual mode, if you haven't selected the correct power source, a light should come on and the fridge will beep to alert you. In this case, change the power source until you find the correct one. Once your fridge is switched on and the power source is selected, use the thermostat dial or buttons to set the desired temperature. It will take several hours to reach the optimal temperature. To open a fridge door, remember not to force it. It may have a lock for extra security. To unlock it, press the button or push the latch. For safety reasons, we recommend always locking the door before hitting the road to prevent it from opening accidentally during travel. If your vehicle is over 20 years old, you'll most likely have to turn on the fridge and change the power source manually. Some extra info. Motorhome fridges take several hours to reach an optimal temperature. When running on 12-volt battery power, the fridge will maintain the cold but will struggle to generate it. Most fridges have a freezer section that can keep frozen items for a few hours after purchase, but it's not an actual freezer. You won't be able to make ice cubes, for example. If you have any doubts or if your vehicle works differently, don't hesitate to contact the owner for advice. You now know how to use the fridge in a motorhome, campervan or converted van. For more advice, take a look at our other road tips videos. Safe travels and see you soon on Yescapa.